Haka jingale ban ajing hikai yaki samla Kynthei halor kumno ban sumar yalade haka por poijing poi ka sarkar jala lingba katanat social welfare haka thong beti bachao beti parhao haringkat ka jingatrai lang bat ka district sankalp hub for empowerment of women haka artarek unai lor araja arpusan kalapan ya ka program ajing hikai halor kani ka benta ha multi purpose hall ha DC office Mairang. Hakani ka ngila wan banishim benta da ka Deputy Commissioner ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District ka kong Anita Kharpor kum ka kong san haringkat ka jingadon lang ka District Social Welfare Officer West Khasi Hills District ka kong D Pakinteng ka video ka Mairang Block ka Dr. LR Nyota u DSP ka District u ba PS Marwen kinohi kay bat ki khna skul nagi skul baper jong ka than. Hakane kasngi la samru yak sanitary pad vending machines ki bala ai klam da shempisa sa ki laipotli ki skul ka balong ka sin jam ka bakong san banyarap yaki khna Kynthei haki skul. Haba ajing kran ko kong Anita Kharpor kala ai khublai kerpang ya ka district social welfare officer bat ya katanat social welfare halor kani ka sin jam bakraw ban sam ya ki sanitary pad vending machines ki ban salong ka jingman toy yaki khna Kynthei kham tam haki skul. Nalor kata kala penpau ru ya ka jing don kam ban penne ya ka jing khoj bat jing sumar hok ya ki khna Kynthei hakapor ba poi jing poi.
By providing the sanitary pad vending machine, it will help girls, especially in the school, so much. Today we are talking about Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. I will dwell more on Beti Bachao. On that aspect, I think we are very good on Beti Padhao. I'll dwell more on Beti Bachao. It's not about just wanting, just allowing the female fetus to develop and be born. It's beyond that. When we talk about, taking extra care of the female, once we touch adolescence and the biological cycle starts, where our menstrual cycle starts, it's important for us to understand the uniqueness in which God has created us. It is important for us because sometimes when we have gone through that part as a young girl, sometimes it's difficult, sometimes it's challenging. Sometimes it happens suddenly. Sometimes we want to wear good clothes, but there's that fear, stains, etc. You all might understand, might be aware. Sometimes it's stressful, but it's important for us to realize the uniqueness that God has blessed us with. Because it's this uniqueness that allows us, that makes us important, because it is this one blessing that we are blessed with continuing the human race. It is this menstrual cycle, it is this biological blessings which God has given us that continue human race. Love yourself for that. That is the first message I want to give all the girls that are here. Love yourself for that. It's important for us to take care of our body every day. Yes, every day, generally, for both boys and girls. It's important for us to take care of our body every day. God has given us the special gift of life of our body. He has created us each and every one of us with special uniqueness, both boys and girls. Hence, it is our duty to take care of ourselves. How can we take care of ourselves? I'm sure you have heard, you must be familiar with the famous saying that goes, cleanliness is next to godliness, isn't it? If we love ourselves, we keep our dignity, we understand our dignity, we will take care of ourselves in a special way. And the first basic way is being clean, keeping our body, keeping our clothes clean, our surrounding clean. It would not take much of your time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, to have a bath every day. A bucket of water, a little bit of soap, and 5 to 10 minutes of your time to take a bath every day. And the result would be just amazing, lifelong. Remember that. And especially for girls, during your menstrual period, gone are the days where, we used to believe that during those days we cannot take bath, we cannot wash our hair, etc., etc. Come show to the born, pamilya perkat, yang kita kijing perkat kita, mensyok, mengintit dan sum, dan. Kyrwoh, remember, keeping yourself extra clean, maintaining proper hygiene during those important days, during those special days, is of utmost importance and the first thing you should remember to do, so that you will be able to lead a healthy, a strong, and a fruitful life.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.